Okay, class, today we're going to discuss Pythagorean's theorem, which states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared as long as a and b are the lengths of the leg and c is the hypotenuse. So for this example, if we're trying to find x, the hypotenuse, we can say that 6 is a squared plus b equals 8, so we take 8 squared, and we know that that has to equal x squared for c. Now, 6 squared becomes 36 plus 8 squared, which becomes 64, equals, we'll drop our x squared down. Now, we can add these two together, and we get 100 equals x squared. Moving over here, now to get rid of the x squared, we will take both sides by the square root. So we take 100 equals x squared, and we square root both sides. So now x squared becomes x because we've got rid of the square, and 10 is the square root of 100. So x equals 10. Now, notice that many times when we use a square root, we would put plus or minus because negative 10 and 10 are both technically the square root of 100. But since this is a triangle and we're using a measurement, we don't use a negative because we know this cannot be negative. And so, therefore, x equals 10, or the hypotenuse equals 10, is going to be our final answer. Oops.